Pikachu unboxing.
Do you want anything cardless for you?
Pikachu
Pika Pika!
is going to help us open a monster truck that was originally out in 2019, but for about the past 12 months, we just couldn't find it where we live. So today, we found it. Where did we find it?
Smith's Toy Superstores.
And it is
Motosaurus!
Motosaurus.
Finally!
Like I say, not a rare one. It was just one that we were struggling to find up where we live.
Finally!
So, I will open it for you. Pikachu! Right, so let's crack it open.
I think Pikachu really wants to open it herself.
Oh, nice blue wheels.
25 out of 75 for 2019. And a crushable car. I'll make you know.
And there it is.
I'll make
Good
a
old
crushable car.
Motosaurus.
I'm gonna make that crushed car now.
It's a Stegosaurus, but a Hot Wheels truck.
There we
Hence,
go, the car. That's it.
Motosaurus. And another red crushable car.
And I think we got all of these actually.
Yeah. So on the back of this one,
Mega Rex, 5 Alarm, Donkey Kong, Shark Week, motosaurus, Hot Wheels Police, Hot Wheel, and Scratcher.
and as you see in our collection, we've got every one of them. So that is it. Finally found Motosaurus.
Finally!
Finally. And thanks for the help, Pikachu.
He's a new plushie today.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Bye.